Planting and growing things together as a family can be very rewarding, as well as being an enjoyable family activity. It's also a great way of getting young gardeners outside and interested in growing their own food. The key is to grow plants that you all like to eat, and to choose some varieties that are quick croppers, such as strawberries, blueberries, and peas. This will help to encourage and sustain everyone's interest. A great activity to get you started is to plant and grow your favourite ingredients to make the family favourite pizza. Salad leaves and herbs such as basil and vegetables like onions are great examples of things that you can grow and then harvest once they're ready. Onions are best suited for growing in open ground, but you could also grow a short row or two in large, deep containers or raised beds. From around mid-March to mid-April, plant onion sets 4 inches apart into rows that are 12 inches apart. Gently push the sets into the soft, well-worked soil so that the tip is just showing. Then firm the soil around them. Birds can cause problems through lifting the sets, so carefully cover them with netting. Onions can be harvested when the foliage turns yellow and starts to topple over. Once the leaves have yellowed, you should leave the onions to dry out in the soil for 2 or 3 weeks, then carefully lift. It is also really rewarding to grow tomatoes from seed. Place some multi-purpose compost in a pot. Level the compost and then water using a rose on the watering can to ensure the soil is moist. Sprinkle some tomato seeds evenly on the soil. Be careful not to sow too many to ensure that they have room to grow. Sprinkle a thin layer of compost to cover the seeds. Place in a warm, sunny spot. And don't forget to label and date the plants. After a few weeks on your windowsill, your tomato plants will be ready to be planted out. Plant out your tomatoes and basil into one container. Why not create a pizza pot or potting bag, such as you can see here, where all your pizza ingredients can grow together. Then simply harvest these once they're ripe and ready. All that remains then is to create your pizza. Use pizza bases, a tomato-based sauce and some cheese to create your tasty homemade pizza.